I'm a Biafra man, and I support Biafra very well. I support Biafra because of Nnamdi Kanu and Odumegwu Ojukwu, and anybody that comes out to continue the same struggle, Nnamdi Kanu, I will support that person. Let me tell you what Nnamdi Kanu said that day. When they interviewed Nnamdi Kanu, he said that who is the person Nnamdi Kanu will give order in the southeast? Somebody will stop or not obey or to try to stop the order Nnamdi Kanu give. That person, they are never born the person. And another thing Nnamdi Kanu said that when they asked Nnamdi Kanu what simonekpa, he said no. He didn't say anything against simonekpa. Yeah, because I listened to the talk, I follow him. Now simonekpa, where they own Nnamdi Kanu ransom Nigeria government and Britain, that the people that hold Nnamdi Kanu and the cabal of Nigerians. Now when they hold Nnamdi Kanu, Nigerians, they feel that Biafra issue is gone. Now Biafra issue is the dancing of spirits. If you don't listen to the music of spirits, you know that Biafra is the music they are playing. It's a spiritual thing. It's not only physical. Now simonekpa come up. Simonekpa come up. Continue the place Nnamdi Kanu stop before they own Nnamdi Kanu. Now, what happened that when Nigeria tried to stop sit at home every Monday in a Biafra land, simonekpa said no, as far as they hold their leaders. Simonekpa never said Nnamdi Kanu is not the leader. Any broker simonekpa want to do, he must respect Nnamdi Kanu and call her a leader. When some people start tackling simonekpa about the agitation of Biafra, simonekpa refused. He said that he with Nnamdi Kanu have one-on-one talk about this agitation. Now, simonekpa continue when Nnamdi Kanu starts, and he said now on December 2nd they will declare Biafra. See what is going on in the southeast. Fulanis and Nigerian government, they try how to bring Biafra down, but because of this guy, Nigerian government don't have the power. See what Nigerian government did? They count simonekpa as a terrorist. Because what is this guy doing? If the guy is not doing well, Nigerian government cannot count simonekpa as a terrorist. And when you call yourself a freedom fighter, they must count you as a terrorist person. Look at Mandela. When Mandela started in South Africa, what happened? They count Mandela as a terrorist. That's the reason why Mandela ran for South Africa. Later he come back, they arrest Mandela. He stayed for prison, 27 years in prison. That's what called freedom fighter. Nnamdi Kanu come out, they arrest Nnamdi Kanu. Even though they try to kill him, if the guy don't escape, they will kill Nnamdi Kanu. Now they still kidnap him to put for Nigeria custodies. They want to Biafra issues to die and gone. They don't know that what God signed, nobody can stop it. Simonekpa come out from nowhere and continue the struggle. Now, see where the guy carry us reach. Now everybody can come outside and talk about Biafra. If you go any media, before you talk 5 things, they must talk an issue of Biafra. You see that what this guy is doing is the right job. Simonekpa said that they declare Biafra on 2nd. I myself, if they declare Biafra on 2nd, I will be very, very happy to enter that promised land. Now, about P2B. P2B is a coward. Do you know why I say that? Like this, I hold this phone. Everyone knows that this phone belongs to me. Somebody from nowhere come out and collect this phone. I didn't do anything to challenge the person or collect my property. It means that I'm a coward. You understand? P2B, Nigeria youth, Nigeria youth, I don't call Biafra youth too, because we are Biafra, we not support P2B in politics to come out for Nigeria president, because we know that nothing good come out for Nigeria. P2B come out, Nigeria support P2B to win 2021, okay, 2023 election. Somebody from nowhere do what? Collect P2B mandate. After he collect P2B mandate, Nigeria youth still come out, say, guy, relax, we will fight for you. Our people say that anybody where in Papa send thief, may go use leg break door, because in Papa support them. This one, the youth of the country, it's not it's not the state. The youth of the country support you. Say, guy, anything will do for your back. As a coward, he said that made them cool down. Let's go to court. Who court help? Who court help for Nigeria? Nigeria believe for judiciary. The answer is no. What Nigeria believe is what? Money. If you kill 1 million people here, if you have the money, the police will not arrest you. Police will not arrest you. And no justice. Nigeria is injustice land. It's a terrorist country. Now, P2B keep quiet and make those youths to see themselves as nothing. Now, we are going to north to put borehole. P2B, don't be annoyed. In P2B in community, there are no poor people in community. Why P2B don't use that money to feed the people? The time of coronavirus, how many people P2B give rice? We hear new about P2B, say P2B give this community food in COVID-19. Answers, we as a P2B come out and tell youth, good, that we will settle this issue. When they keep people in Toge, the P2B come out and tell youth, okay, we will know how to do it. Now, because Lord didn't support you for 2023 election, now you come out now, you are doing campaign. The first campaign P2B first did that when Nigeria, they are playing ball. P2B go when citizens there, they sit there as a commoner. See that to show that, to compare that in 2023 I will be a president of Nigeria. A president of don't have action. If you want to be a president, you must have action and you must march on toes. Now, you are going to north to Labik with all those vampire, vulture that will give you power on 2023 or 2027. No, that is, the man is just messing himself up. He's a coward. What this guy said is truth. You do support you. How much he give you to support him for this 2023? He didn't give them anything. But you volunteer himself to support him. Even what the P2B did in Anambra State. P2B just have money for Anambra State. Or another person from nowhere just lavish the money. My brother, in this Nigeria, if you want to help youth, build company, give them job opportunity. They don't save money to them. Job opportunity. That's what we are looking for. We no request to save money for our account. The money is rubbish. Nigeria got P2B, let you go and sit down and forget anything Nigeria issue. If you want to show in talent, let you support agitation or Biafra. If you don't want to support na Insabi, wait till you know that Biafra must come the day God wants it. Simonekpa can announce on 2nd, but if God never sign it, it cannot come. What I believe that if he said that Biafra will come today, Biafra will come. What all of us do is to do what? Adverts. We are preaching gospel about Biafra issue. whether you use arm, whether you use voice, whether you use drum, whether you use music, we are saying everything about Biafra. All Biafra citizens. That Biafra is not only Igbos. Benin, Niger Delta, Akwa Ibom, Port Harcourt, all of them is Biafrans. Ondo, they are Biafrans. All the whole land where Biafra have, all of us, we are doing the words. We are talking about, we are preaching about Biafra. What will help Africa in future? What will help Nigeria in future? If the Biafra land will be okay, everything will be okay. Look at the governor of Abia State. What the man is doing. Ipazu. I say governor in Abia State. But the man doing a lot of work. Alex Oti. You see that when the Biafra come, challenge will come. In the Yoruba land, you see some people will say that the president said that give us more time, give us more time. He used Alex Oti as an example. Two of them entered the same day. And Alex Oti is doing very, very well. No governor or no president in Nigeria that work like Alex Oti. Nobody. Within few months. Now Abia State now will come out and say that they have lights. A man they come out and tell their citizens, stop selling your land. After 4 years, he can do whatever he wants to do. He gives their people confidence. He have the feeling of common people. He have feeling of common people. We are not the person who will help us to save money. We need somebody who will make that these people they exist in the world. Nigeria is not exist because of the politician. Look at Nigeria here. Common man cannot see Gary drink. He can carry your camera and show this guy, show the whole world what is going on in Nigeria. Yeah? Nigeria is not eating. No food. Everywhere, nobody can. 75% of Nigeria cannot make $1 per day. 75% of Nigeria cannot make $1 a day. See how the kind sufferness Nigeria is going. You see politicians, they say dollar is coming down, dollar is coming down. How much is dollar? Dollar is nice, 1,000 plus. Is it coming down? You see the same thing I'm saying? You see the same thing? This, what is going on? You see, that thing you are seeing now is almost going to 500 naira. This granite, 100 or 200 naira. 100 naira. Pure water. The same thing. See the gari now is 200 naira. That little gari. Bro, do you understand? In Nigeria, 75% of Nigeria cannot make $1 per day. You see the poor, how Nigeria poor, the poorest, rich. We cannot eat a good food. You will learn handwork. Nobody will give you a job. Look at my bag, I carry my tools. But since how many months, no work. What are you talking about? We learn different type of handwork to see food to eat. But Nigeria government will deny everything for us. Now, millions of Nigeria, if you have little money, you find a way to travel to go another country to survive. You tell me that Nigeria government, my brother, let all the whole Biafrans, Igbos to go agitate for Biafra. Whether simonekpa said that on second or next second, that one is not my business. What I need that let Biafra do what? Come. Biafra is the only thing will be the future of Africa. The future of Africa. Go to the whole Africa. If you can minus the indigenous of the land, another tribe you count there is the Igbos. Any country, Africa now, if you minus the indigenous, the people that house the land, another tribe you can count is Igbos. Because of what? The Nigeria you are seeing is not doing well. It's hungry man, is hungry lion. It can lead you to do whatever you want to do to achieve something. I rest my